All right, so Reese and Sarah on a bicycle start 90 miles per hour on a road riding towards each other. Reese is traveling at 10 miles per hour and Sarah is traveling at 20 miles per hour. They set off at the same time and both keep moving at constant speeds until they meet. Work out the distance each rider has cycled by the time they meet. That's kind of tricky, but one thing we do know is that the distances must add up to 90. So this is a good guess, 30 and 60. There's a number of different ways you can do this, and so I would think the shortest, maybe the quickest way would be to look at ratios. So Reese is traveling half the speed of Sarah, so Sarah would have covered twice as much distance to Reese. Now, actually, this looks like it could be right. Let me just check. Okay, well, yeah, this is right again. So 30 and 60. Yeah, 30, 60. So that one's fine. Maybe it was the next question you got right. Wrong, sorry. Write down the time taken for them to meet. Okay, if it took, it doesn't matter which one we pick. We can say Reese travelled 30 miles or Sarah travelled 60 miles, but and then we just divide, then we work it out by in that way. So the equation is speed is equal to distance over time, and then it's a bit tricky sometimes to work out how to rearrange that to say what is time equal to. What I would suggest in these situations is you use a formula triangle. So if we say we write S for speed, and we put that down there. Have you seen formula triangles before? Okay, so I'll show you how these work. Basically, you draw a little triangle like this, and I'm going to just get a circle and color it in. And normally, what you do is you get your thumb and cover something up. So, for example, speed is equal to distance over time. So I cover up speed, and equals distance over time. So time equals distance over speed, and distance equals speed times time. Okay, so we're trying to work out time, so we cover up the time, and we say that time is equal to distance divided by speed. Okay, so then we would use that triangle. They would use that formula to right, time is equal to distance divided by speed, and it doesn't matter which one we pick. We can pick Reese. He did 30 miles, and he did it in 10 miles per hour. So 30 divided by 10. 3. So you got that right as well. So you might use a different method, but you got that one right as well. I'm not quite sure why it says you got it wrong then. Yeah, 3 hours.